Hi, welcome to my channel. Our first question is 3 squared times 9 squared is equal to 3 to the power of x. Then this becomes 3 squared times 9 is equal to 3 squared. So the power of 2 equals to 3 to the power of x. Then this becomes 3 squared times here is 3 to the power of 4. Then equals to 3 to the power of x. Then, since they have the same base, so we can add the exponents. So, this becomes 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 equals to 3 to the power of x. Then here, it becomes 3 to the power of 6 equals to 3 to the power of x. So, because they have the same base, we can directly observe that x is equal to 6. So, the answer here is letter D. Next, our second question is 2 to the power of 4x is equal to 16. So here we will copy 2 to the power of 4x is equal to 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So since they have the same base, so we can directly observe that 4x is equal to 4. Then we will divide 4 on both sides. So this cancels out. So the remaining is x. Then 4 divided 4 is equal to 1. So the answer is x is equal to 1. So letter A. Next, our third question is x minus 1 divide 3 is equal to 3. To cancel out the denominator 3, we will multiply on both sides by 3. So here 3, then here 3. So this cancels out. So the remaining is x minus 1 is equal to 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So we will write here 9. Then to cancel out this negative 1, we will add positive 1 on both sides. So this becomes x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 9 plus 1. So we can cancel now the negative 1. So this becomes the remaining is x. Then 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So our answer is x equals to 10. So letter D. Next, our fourth question is 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. So in order to cancel out positive 5, we will add negative 5 on both sides. So this becomes 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 15 minus 5. So this cancels out and the remaining is 2x is equal to 15 minus 5 is 10. Then we will divide 2 on both sides to cancel out that number 2. So this becomes the remaining is x. Then 10 divided 2 is 5. So the answer is x is equal to 5. So letter D.